I gotcha. Hello everyone, I am Susan Zam. Today's lesson is on words in Berom. Words in Berom. I have some few words listed out. Show, vey, sangal, ngamo, gwa, ke oiki, lo, simi, ho. Object and ho, subject. Show means greeting or compliment. Show, greeting or compliment. Vey, come. Vey, come. Sangal, sit down. Sangal, sit down. Ngamo, here. Ngamo, here. Gwa, where. Gwa, where. Ke oiki, go. Ke oiki, go. Lo is family, home or house. Lo, family, home or house. Simi in this context is love. Simi, love. Ho, H-O is you, which is an object. H-O, you, object. H-W-O, ho, you, which is a subject. H-W-O is you, which is a subject. We are taking our examples with the words we have already learned. Show neve or show dive. Show neve or show dive is welcome. Show neve, show dive, welcome. Sangal ingamo, sit down here. Sangal ingamo, sit down here. Mi sangal igwa, where will I sit? Mi sangal igwa, where will I sit? Ke vogilo or ki vogilo, go home. Ke vogilo or ki vogilo, go home. Mi simi ho. Remember our H-O, which is an object. Mi simi ho. I love you. Mi simi ho. I love you. Ho re pia. Remember H-W-O, ho, which is a subject. Ho re pia. Will you eat food? Ho re pia. Will you eat food? Well, I will stop here for today. Hope to see you soon. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and educating videos. Thank you for watching and bye for now.